Hello, my little escape artist. Honey bun. You, seriously. Come here. Yeah, yeah. Are you trouble? Are you trouble? Yes. Why you keep escaping? We can't even put you in. Leave the cat alone. What did the cat ever do to you? And leave that alone. You don't like the smell of gas. Yeah. Hey, trouble. Hi. Okay, that's enough. Oh my gosh, does it have to be so rough, you guys? Really? Do not need to see that. Cornelius. Yeah. Are you a pretty girl? Miss Honey Bun, are you a pretty girl? And my Megatron wants to attack me all the time. He looks like he's been to war and back. I thought I'd be nice and get rid of his brother who did all that mess to him. And then as soon as I did that, now he figures he's got to attack me and everything else. See him giving me the eye right now? He does the sneak attacks on me. He thinks I don't know that what he's attempting to do. I see you, dude. I see you. Yeah, I see exactly. Hello, little chickies. Hey, don't you go in with them. Don't be mean. You just flew into their little chicken coop, didn't you? One of the new chickens, or the old chickens, flew in with the new chickens. You better be nice to those little chickies. You're on a trial right now. Oh my god, they're actually jumping on her. I think we might be able to put them in together, Kelly. They don't seem to be picking on her. Hi. Hi guys, you're so cute. Look how little you are. Oh, boing, boing, boing. Did you find them? Okay, troublemakers, get back in there. What are you doing? Huh? Get out of here. Go jump back over the fence, Trouble. Trouble 1 and Trouble 2. Go jump over the fence. Come on, show everyone how you jump over the fence. Small little. No, you're stinky. Go away. Stinky, stinky. Are you smiling for the camera? Oh, hello. Oh, hello. You are handsome. Yeah. Mr. Graham Wafer, you're oh, Graham Cracker. You're handsome. Mr. Marshmallow. There's some troublemaker. Megatron. No, you guys go jump back in. Don't you headbutt my dog. You know you're playing with fire out here. Get out of here. No, you made my clothes all stinky yesterday. You're not doing that today. I have no treats. I have no treats. Bring your bubble thing so you can make the other ones
Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna go feed them. I'm gonna go see if they're not gonna get out. They're little troublemakers. Okay. Just gonna do that. That will keep the heat away. Oh my gosh. I better go feed my mama. I don't know what. But it's like. It's like windy out here. It's cold. We're gonna move Baba. Like, what do I do? I'm so cold. Oh my god. Everyone. Oh my gosh. So, let's get like a from it. Okay. Hi, Tonka, buddy. Tonka. The other goats are trying to escape. Our goats always escape and stuff. Last night when we were trying to get these goats and stuff back in, they were all like, a woodpecker was out. I know. It's serious, a woodpecker. A woodpecker. Are you serious? There's a woodpecker. Those things are rare. Hi, Mr. Tonka. Hi, Mr. Okay, Mr. Tonka is just like, he's just a male. He's a male. I feel like. Yeah. He's not scared of the bubble. See? It's just a little light up thing. Can you see it? Like that. Yeah. Let me wipe you guys off. I'm just gonna wipe you guys off.
Get lost. I will kick you. Go. Get out of here. Get. Jerk. Megatron. Bad. Fuck off. Megatron. You're an ass. You're going to the soup pot, I swear. What a jerk, hey? Honey bun? Baby Belle? You guys ready to go back in now? Watching you, jerk. Hi, guys. Well, how did you guys even get out? You can't jump like these boys can. Get lost. Megatron, seriously. Go. Hi, Cornelius. Yeah, you're a handsome boy. Get lost. Yeah, I hate that rooster. Get out of here. Get lost. Hi, buddy. Hi. Go away, Megatron. Go. Go find someone else to bother, jerk. This is how they get out. They jumped like the fence is nothing. Marshmallow, you stay in there. Honey Bun's in heat, so there's Marshmallow. There's Graham Wafer. They're trying to figure out who's gonna get her. They're fighting like crazy for the past little while. Are you guys ready to go back in now? Miss Baby Belle? Get lost, Megatron. Get lost. Okay, no, you're not coming out. Marshy. No, get going. Back in there. No, Marshmallow. Okay, we gotta let you in. Okay, go. There you go. There you go, baby Val. Get in there. Okay, come on, Ivy. Come on. No, Marsh. Get lost. Here you guys. Here you go. Phil, come on, Phil. You can't do anything anyway, dude. You know you're fixed, right? Come on, guys. Come on, girls. Let's go. No, leave her. Leave her. Come on. You get out of here. Okay, let's go. Come on. In you go. Come on. We're all good. It's all in the... No, Marshmallow. Get lost. You boys. Okay, there you go. You got it in. Nope. Get going. Where's Chloe's bubble gun when we need it? Come on, girls. And boy. Come on. Come on. Let's go.